install and remove the display board on the Dommei Backpack, please follow these steps. Installation. Take one side of the display board and align it with the slot on the backpack. Carefully insert the edge of the board into the slot. Repeat the process for the other side of the display board. Slowly push the display board down to the bottom. Make sure it is properly aligned and fully inserted. Ensure that the Velcro strips on the top of the display board and the backpack are attached. Removal. To remove the display board, start by separating the Velcro strips at the top of the display board and the backpack. Gently pull them apart to detach them. Once the Velcro is separated, slowly pull the display board out of the slots on the backpack.